Well, I'm really excited. This is the week. I'm really excited. So here's the deal. My name is Jim, and thank you for visiting my channel, Off Grid Living with the Bennetts. So here's the thing. I've got, as of today's date, I've got 995 subscribers to my channel. That's a milestone. I'm really excited about that. I need 1,000 subscribers. I need 5 more subscribers. And I'm pretty confident that I will get them this week. I need those 5 subscribers to have my channel monetized. But unfortunately, 1,000 subscribers isn't enough. I also need 4,000 watch hours. Now, I'm a long ways away from 4,000 watch hours, so I don't know if you've been watching my videos, but what I need is I need more watch hours on my long form videos. Basically, the way the YouTube algorithm works is I need 4,000 watch hours on my long form videos, or I need 10 million views over a 3-month period on my short form videos. Now, that's never going to happen. So, it's my long form videos that I'm really wanting to push. So, I don't know if you've been watching my videos or not, but my long form videos is off grid living. My long form videos, I've got videos about solar panels, mistakes I've made, the successes with them. I've brought my old hickory shed home in, and I've added on to it, and I've had an addition also brought in. I've got plumbing videos, I've got water filtration videos, I've got snow videos, I've got insulating videos, how do you varnish, how do you drywall, how do you do flooring, multitudes of videos. What I need is I need my subscribers and my visitors to start watching my long form videos. That would help me out immensely. I want to build this channel, and I want it to be a lot of like a how-to video channel in regards to off-grid living. How do you stop ice dams on your roof? I've got a video on that. How do you cook on the wood stove? I got videos on that. How do you clean your wood stove? What do you do with your hot ashes? How do you do your decking on your flooring on your deck? I've got lots of videos on lots of how-to repairs on a house. I've got a few fishing videos. I've got some wildlife videos. I've got lots of videos. Like I say, my long form videos are the ones that I'm really trying to push. So if you can go back into my video collection and you can watch some of my long form videos, that would help me out immensely. Like I say, I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on my long form videos. This week I'll hit my 1,000 subscribers, but I've still got a long ways to go on my watch time hours. So if you could do that, that would help me out immensely. Give me some comments, give me some feedback, give me some likes on my videos, share my videos with your friends, whatever it takes to help my channel grow. I certainly would appreciate that. And I will make sure that I continue to bring videos, and I'm going to be doubling down and doing a lot more videos on my wood chipping brush, my wood splitter, my Alpine Skidoo. I'll be bringing all kinds of videos your way, but I need you to watch them, and it would really help me out immensely. we just basically got to get through this slow winter season, and then my renovation videos will start up again. So subscribe to my channel, and if you are a subscriber, just watch my videos. I'd really appreciate it. You have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.